Well, hello everyone. It's Gianni Ubriaco, the Soul Pilot with you again. Thanks so much for joining me. So today we're going to be working with the Chakra Wisdom Oracle cards. They're going to help to reveal to us the different chakras that we need to work on, whatever messages that come through related to those chakras. So we just need to relax and trust in the messages that come through and allow those messages to bring us clarity, and let us use the messages that come through to help us balance our energy centers. Sounds good? All right. So make yourselves comfortable, close your eyes and relax. Allow yourselves to be open up. Take a nice cleansing breath. Calling in our beautiful guides and angels to work with us and through us, and to bring us the divine messages that we need at this time. Staying completely open and receptive. And allowing the messages to come through now. The first message is for us to work on and open and balance our sacral. And to not let anything stand in our way of our creative abilities, our creative powers, to find a way to face and overcome any potential blocks or walls or obstacles, to find a way through them or around them, to learn, to adapt, find creative ways to do so, and know that we have those creative abilities within ourselves. We can accomplish anything. Visualizing beautiful orange healing energies now going around our sacral, just below our belly button, clearing the path for us, helping us to balance our sacral. We can create anything through our divine creative center. Breathing that message in, opening up to the next message that comes through. And it's about our root, connecting with the earth. Releasing any feelings of insecurity. Letting go of those fears that we're not good enough, or that we won't be supported with anything we need. Letting all of those fears go, acknowledging that they're there and letting them go, back to love, back to light. Opening ourselves up, no longer closing ourselves off, opening ourselves up, opening our hearts, opening our connection with the earth. Not being afraid of rejection or hurts or anything. Standing in our unwavering spiritual authority, solid like the earth. Trusting in our love, trusting in our light, trusting with our connection with Mother Nature. Knowing that Mother Nature will always supply us and support us with everything we need. That we have the solid earth within us and around us, to be clear of that. We have the peaceful waters within us and around us. We have powerful light shining down on us and within us. We have air, revitalizing air within us and around us. Unlimited sky within us and around us. Let us continue to grow and to be secure in who we are, knowing that we are enough. Visualizing a powerful red light now, strengthening a connection, helping us to feel even more secure. Focusing now on our solar plexus. Accepting the knowing that we are a miracle, that all around us are miraculous energies within us and around us. Accepting and aligning and being the miracle that we are. Walking around in that miraculous energy that we are and that is around us. Golden, powerful, miraculous energy within and around us, helping us to accept our divinity, our sacredness, our connection with Mother, Father, God, understanding that connection is within us and around us, and it is a powerful connection, a miraculous connection, an authentic, miraculous connection. We are one with Mother, Father, God. And sensing and feeling and allowing that golden yellow light to build our divine power center and our miraculous energies even more. Opening up our crown at the top of our head, our connection with all there is. Understanding that we are one with all of creation. All of creation is within us and around us. Understanding how we help the whole. Everything we think and do, how we all are all together in this. We have the support of everyone. To be clear of that, clear of our connection with all there is, and to understand we are always eternally supported, and to embrace that in support and encouragement, and to be clear of that, and to allow that beautiful, powerful light within us and around us. We are one. Beautiful, powerful light helping us to connect with all there is. And finally, working on our throat center. Helping us to speak our truth, express ourselves, express our gifts and our abilities and our wisdom and our knowledge with all those around us. Beautiful blue light helping us to do so faithfully, courageously, powerfully, and without fear. It is safe for us to speak our truth and to share our wisdom in all ways. Accepting all these beautiful messages that have come through, breathing a sigh of relief, being grateful for these messages, thanking all of creation, all of nature, thanking everyone and everything and ourselves for these divine, powerful messages. Bringing all those messages back to this time, back to this place, ready to implement them and help ourselves to be balanced and fully aligned. Thank you, everyone, for joining me. Continue to do the great work that you're doing.